Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Builder's FirstSource. This is ticker BLDR. So BLDR is in a well-defined uptrend. It's above all the major moving averages and looks pretty good. If I zoom in here a little bit, you can see that it constructed a nice sideways base of consolidation over the last 15 days or so, broke above that base and did it on high volume. And you can see that it's really close to a pivot. On December the 1st here, it got hammered back down into this base after hitting 38.48. So we're really close to 38.48 right now. I want to see if it can break above 38.48 and possibly build a second floor within this uptrend. Okay, that's the last construction joke, I promise. So I'll be setting an alert right around 38.48 here on this chart, and I want to see it get above that level, stay above that level, and do it on high volume. So keep an eye on BLDR. I think it's worth watching tomorrow. I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll catch you next time.